What's going on, guys? So today we have a DJI Mini 2 that has a broken arm. So what we're going to do is replace that today and try to see if we can get it fixed with a brand new one. So it looks like this cable was really badly damaged and torn off, so thankfully we got a full actual arm with fully assembled with the motor as well. So the motor seems to be working good. Alright, so first thing we like to do, inspect it. So let's see if anything else is damaged, which it doesn't look like it. So that's good. And I'll go ahead and take out the SD card here, put that aside, and then open this, make sure there's no battery inside of here. So we're good on that. Now this has 4 screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 that we have to undo. So we'll go ahead and do that. The ones in the back right here are really deep, so you're gonna have to use a screwdriver that's a little bit longer. So there's like clips on the inside right here that you have to make sure that they get popped up whenever you're taking this off. So be very careful. There are ribbon cables in here, so you don't want to damage anything. So first what we'll do is try to get onto the sides. We'll start with flipping this over and then getting under here. So go ahead and open this up. You gotta get in between, flip it open. You gotta go back and forth. There we go. Alright, we got that side open. And do the same thing with this side. Flip this leg down and get in between the cover right here. There's like a little line under here, so you have to get under there. And then once you get that open, flip this over. Those clips are really holding it in, so you got to make sure that the clips are pushed out, so we can push it out from the inside and then lift it up like that, and it'll open it up. So push it out from here. There we go. Finally got that. There we go. I got that open. Now the front is very difficult to open up. This part is it's got really tight hinges on here, so you got to be very careful not to break it. You got to kind of get your tool in here. You want to use one of these metal tools. There we go. So you can push it in. So push it inwards when you do it. And this one should come off. I can kind of show you guys. There's a little clip on this one too. So you just undo the clip right there. So you see, so these have clips right here in this corner, one right here, one right here. You have to push it. If you can get a long tool, when this is on here like that, and lift it up a little bit and pull the hinges, you'll be able to access it a lot easier. Alright, so now that we got that open, we can take a look at the arms here. So this arm has some cover over it. We're gonna have to desolder this cable, so we're gonna switch this out with this, but to do that we're gonna have to unscrew this. So you got 2 screws. You got one right here and then one under here, so we'll flip it. So first we'll do it from this side, undo this screw, and then we'll flip it and undo this screw. Now we're going to get the iron, solder iron. First thing you can do is clear off this adhesive, like this cover that they put in the factory. So you can clear this off right here. It's like a mask that they put over it. They can get this off. It just scrapes off. Alright, now that our soldering iron is heated up, we'll go ahead and get our tweezers. Hold on to the cable right here. Heat this up ever so slightly and just pull back a little bit. Same thing with this one. Pull back. And then you got this one, heat it up, pull back. Alright, and now those are off. Now what we can do is take off this arm. So we'll just pull it. You gotta pull it out, and that's it. Now we got the arm out. We can get our new arm in. So what I like to do is twist these cables. That way the arm can go in a lot easier. You put it through the hole, through right here, and feed it through, push through here. We'll get our precision tweezers and then hold on to them and try to feed it through. We got that through, and before we do anything, we'll flip this over and then put this screw in, put one of the screws in, and we can flip this. It should be good. Nice, working good. Now All we have to do is solder these wires back on. You make sure we get the right color on the right one. So it's white, black, red in this order, going this way. Get your iron. Okay, you're gonna get your iron. Make sure the tip is clean. You can add some more solder to the tip. Hold it down like that and solder it down. Perfect. All right, so we got all three of those done. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and just close this back up. So make sure these are aligned properly and make sure they're touching. Make sure the wires are not in your way or blocking anything. So we'll put in the front first. Squeeze that down. Squeeze that down. Both of these sides are good. And then squeeze that down. Make sure it's clipped in from the inside, and they are. Perfect. Now we'll put the battery in and then we'll turn it on, hold it down. All right, now I'm just gonna go ahead and test this and then we'll see if it works. All right guys, so we got everything put together. Fans are put together. What we're gonna do is try to take off now and see if it works. So let's see. Take off. Yeah, it looks like the fans are working. Working good. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching. We just got done with the repair. As you guys saw, it did work and the fans are spinning great. The only thing you got to do is make sure you calibrate it, make sure you put all the screws back in, and make sure it's working properly. Now the DJI Mini, Mini 2, and Mini SE should be the pretty much same amount of time and same type of repair. So this applies to all the other DJI Minis as well. So if you guys have any questions or if you have any comments, feel free to comment in the comment section. Definitely like, share, subscribe, and you know, stay tuned. Turn on the notifications bell for when we upload new videos, and we'll see you guys next time.